Have you been struggling with problematic skin?
Feeling dry
and decrepit?
Have you been struggling with bacterial-related acne and using harsh ingredients like benzoyl peroxide that are severely drying out your skin?
We have a gentle and very effective product that has helped a lot of our clients who have problematic skin that you might want to consider using.
Our current users of Zyderma Clarifying Cream notice results really quickly when they use this on a regular basis, and it doesn't dry out the skin like some conventional products.
So stick around for our Zyderma review and 3 extra tips for bacteria-related and inflamed acne.
Zyderma Clarifying Cream is a Canadian product and very unique. The key ingredient in this is microsilver BG. It's a naturally derived microbial regulator. Silver is a commonly used product in natural healing for burns and even inner body issues like bacterial, viral, and fungal infections. It's very effective, yet gentle enough to use daily.
So we encourage people to use Zyderma day and night all over the skin, or as a spot treatment if they just have some random breakouts. This also works really well as a makeup primer. So you can use it under your moisturizer and under your makeup, and it kind of creates this like semi-matte, really like grippy finish that your makeup or foundation just kind of attaches to. So we really like to recommend it not only as a treatment, but also just for makeup priming as well.
You can use this all over your face if you need to as a primer like Jacqueline just mentioned, or you can just use it as a spot treatment. And we also mentioned earlier you can use it day or night. So it is a very versatile product. Just always make sure that you're using it on top of the skin first before you put on moisturizer or foundation or anything else.
And we like to kind of refer to this as our first aid kit. A lot of people keep it in their cupboards to use on eczema or psoriasis or any cuts or scrapes that they need healing really quickly. So it's super versatile, not only for your face, but your whole body.
Some other ways you can use the Zyderma cream if you get athlete's foot or even any kind of like fungal issues on your hands. Anything that just needs some healing support, you can absolutely use this.
We have a special offer for you at the end of this video, so make sure to stick around for that Zyderma offer. We typically recommend this 3-product combo to our clients who are struggling with acne or problematic skin. And the first product is the Wild Hill Fireweed Toner.
This product is really unique because it has fireweed in it. This is a plant that grows abundantly in the Pacific Northwest, especially in clear-cut areas or forest fire-affected areas. It helps the skin, oh yeah, that's nice. It helps to speed up healing. It has an astringent action, and it's also very calming to the skin too. So once you've cleansed your skin, follow up with your fireweed toner.
Press it,
press it, press it, love it, love it, love it. Love your skin.
And the second product that we like to pair is the Wild Hill Honey and Myrrh Mask.
I love this one. The honey in this mask is sourced from New Zealand. It's a beechwood honey, and it's actually a honey made from a dew honey. And the bees take the dew off the trees and make their honey. And the South Island of New Zealand is totally underexposed to pollution and very, very clean air. So some of the best quality honey comes from this area. That's why Wild Hill uses this honey. The reason why you might want to consider using a raw honey is because it's anti-inflammatory, there's tons of enzymes, it's antimicrobial, and it's also a natural humectant, so it'll help to draw water to the skin and calm the skin and hydrate the skin.
This also includes myrrh, which is again another anti-inflammatory, so really taking down the acne and the inflammation on the skin and calming the skin as well.
You can use this twice a week at least. Use it in the evening and just like kick back and relax. The longer you leave it on, the better your skin is going to feel after.
I typically leave it on for like an hour.
Yeah, it's awesome.
We want to know what you've struggled with the most when it comes to your acne. We have a ton of videos as resources to help, so comment below, let us know what you've struggled with the most, and we can do our best to refer you to one of those videos.
You can even DM us on Instagram if you don't feel like you want to comment below.
And that's at the Green Beauty Collective.
The last tip we want to share with you is don't scrub your skin. If you're already having or experiencing red, inflamed skin, avoid physical scrubs, avoid rubbing your skin. Be very, very gentle. Lightly press toner into your skin, and just to try to avoid picking and all that.
Using a foundation can help give you a confidence boost while you're working on healing your acne. Check out our natural foundation video with these silicone-free options that will allow your skin to heal. The video is linked right here.
To get you going on your acne healing journey, we do have a special offer for you. All you have to do when you purchase your full-size Zyderma online is just mention this video in the notes, and you will get a free travel size Zyderma gem. And this is perfect for traveling, and you can just refill it with your full-size one.
And if you sign up for our newsletter online, you will get 10% off of your Zyderma order.
Are you ready to make the switch to healthier beauty products? We're constantly curating our online shop with our favorite natural beauty products. We feel confident that you will love everything we have in the store. Visit thegreenbeautycollective.com to have a look for yourself.
If you enjoyed this video, please let us know by liking, giving us a thumbs up, writing a comment, or just simply subscribing to our channel.
And comment below with helpful if you found this video helpful. And as usual, we'll see you next Tuesday.
See you next Tuesday.